In this video, the topic is electricity price volatility. So the volatility is the most important, the most distinctive property of electricity. The price volatility is the measure instability of electric price in a specific period of time. It means it is measure instability of electric price in a specific period of time. It is usually represented as a percentages and evaluated as the annualized standard deviations of a daily price percentage changes daily price percentage changes. It depends upon the time. So the price volatility, it is a depends upon the time and maybe reflect the value of electricity derivative like option and future. When compared with the load, the restructured power system, when compared with the load, the restructured power system, power market to the electric price is very volatility. So it depends upon the basic reason behind the electric priority is to match the supply and demand on second by second basis. So finally the electricity price volatility, it is simple to say it is measure the instability of electricity price in a specific period of time. It is usually represented as a percentage and evaluated as the annualized standard deviations of daily prices percentage changes. So here it depends on time and may reflect the value of electricity derivative like option and futures. Here the volatility electricity price market is used to examine various hedging of strategy and probabless. So what are the reasons? What are the reasons for instability of electricity price in a specific period of time? So what are the reasons of instability of price of electricity? The first price is volatility in the fuel price. First of all, the cost of our unit of electricity increasing or decreasing depends upon the instability of fuel price. Fuel. In the sake, in the thermal power plant, the fuel is coal. It is very cost. If the coal cost is vary, then corresponding to the fuel electricity price is a instability. Electricity price is a instability. The next one, uncertainty in the load. The load is available or not. The coal is available or not. Here the uncertainty in load. And third one is uncertainty in the generations. Uncertainty in the generation means there is no power in the time of generations. Uh, uh, Rainy seasons, the power generation, both hydropower plant and thermal power plant, but dry seasons only operating with the thermal power plant, the fuel cost is very high compared to the uh, hydropower plant. So uncertainty generations that depends upon the electric price is a instability in the specific period of time. The next one, transmission congestion. Congestion means the increasing the prices, but supplying the not is increasing the supply. So nothing but congestion. It is a transmission congestion is a reason for instability of electricity price. And then market participant behavior, some two different in the marketplaces, two different participant different there are different participants are there. So it is a necessary, it is required for any one product is required, then purchase to more prices, the marketing clearing prices then provided to more prices to buy. So market participants on behavior and the market operations. So the reason for instability of electricity prices, market operations also the reason for the instability of the electric price. So finally the electric price volatility means to measure the instability of electric price. What are the reasons for instability of electric prices? Volatility in fuel prices, uncertainty load and uncertainty generations, transmission congestion and market behavior, participant behaviors and market operations. So the other reasons for electric prices uh, instability. So alternation in hydroelectricity productions, in alternations, electricity productions. So sometimes hydropower generation, hydropower stations not operated with summer season because of there is no water in the store the water in a reservoir that is not operating not generate the power. That's why will be increasing the stability of electric prices in summer seasons. So those are the due to the special purpose of future of electricity, the electric price is more volatile compared with the non-energy economics. Compared to the economics, the special features of electricity. So this is the electricity prices volatility. Volatility nothing but instability of the price. So next topic is electricity price indexes. What is indexes? You know that the movement of the price are generally measured by the price indexes. Movement of the price are generally measured by the movement of the price is generally measured by the price indexes is called as electricity price indexes. The movement of the price are generally measured by the price indexes. Now we discuss with the Dow Jones indexes are used to analyze the price volatility. So one of the scientists, Dow Jones, is prepared for the index are used to analyze electric price volatility. Those index define electric price firm and non-firm sources on peak and off peak periods of some locations or indexes are discussed. The following Dow Jones, the following Dow Jones, Dow Jones is electric price indexes. What is meant by electric price indexes? The movement in the price where are generally measured by the price indexes. So Dow Jones indexes are used to analyze the price volatility. So Dow Jones, due to the special purpose, sorry, California, those indexes of electricity for prim and non-prim sources for on a peak and off-peak periods of some locations. So following are the Dow Jones daily electric price indexes. The first one is California Origin Border Electricity Price Indexes. It is weighted average price for electricity traded for the Nevada, Oregon, and California, Oregon borders. It is specified at dollars per megawatt hour and volume in megawatt hours. So in California, in California, California is specified in dollars per megawatt hour and volume in megawatt hours. And then is another country, Polo Verde Electricity Price Index is weighted average price of electricity traded West Wing, Regional, and Polo Verde. It is specified dollars is in this country also specified in a dollars per megawatt hour and volume for also volume volume is also megawatt in hours. So in India, it is specified average electric spread is specified rupees per megawatt hour, and Pakistan also rupees per megawatt hour, and Sri Lanka also rupees per megawatt hour. Next country, PJSM seller choice of electricity price indexes for Penny 7, New Jersey, Maryland. Seller's choice electric price indexes the weighted average of price electricity traded consignment of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland market. In a specified also in this country also specified in dollars per megawatt and volume in megawatt hour. Next, PCM Western Hub Electricity Price Index is also Western Hub Electricity Price Indexes the weighted average price of electricity traded at Penicillin, New Jersey, Maryland, Western Hub. It is specified in dollars per megawatt hour and volume in megawatt hours. So next one, Mid Columbia Electricity Price Index. So it is a specified in dollars per megawatt hour and volume in megawatt hours. And then NP15 electricity price index. So it is weighted average price of index traded for consignment at NP15, specified in dollars for megawatt hour and volume in for megawatt hour. And then SP15 electricity price indexes. It is also weighted average price of electric price indexes traded for consignment at SP15, specified in dollars in megawatt hour. This country is also specified in dollars for megawatt hour and volume for in megawatt hours. So those are the different price indexes. What is the price indexes? The price index movement of the price are generally measured by the price indexes. Dow Jones or index are analyze the price of volatility. So different countries are there. So Colombia, Polo Verde, PJM Western, Mid Colombia, 115, S50. The electricity is specified in dollars per megawatt hour and volume in megawatt hour. In India and Pakistan and Sri Lanka, the electricity price is specified in the currency of that country, rupees per megawatt hour, and the volume in megawatt hours. And then the next topic is electric price challenges of electricity pricings. So the challenges faced on the electricity pricing, the challenges faced on the pricing of electricity market as follows. So there are two methods, pricing model, and then second one is reliable forward curves. Pricing model and reliable forward. There are the challenges to electricity pricing. And the first one, the pricing model, select the most suitable price strategy in a major task in the market. Traditionally, basic version of black school models are used to provide pricing to physical power options. So pricing models, the most this pricing model, the most suitable task or strategy major tasks in market. Traditionally the pricing, you select the pricing to set the pricing by using traditionally the pricing model. The basic version of black school models are used to provide the pricing to physical power options. And then the following price dynamic proposed black school model is given by df of small t by capital T by f of small t comma capital T is equal to b into dw of t. Here the where f of t comma t price small t is the price at a time for future option at time t. Capital T is the future time and is price at time t and future time at a capital T. dw of t is the standard Bohren motion and volatile constants. So this is the challenges pricing. These are the price tool model. The main important strategy, the major task in power marketers. Traditionally, the basic version of black school models are used to provide the physical of power options. And the second one is reliable. The second one is a reliable forward curves. A curve represent as a forward or future price electricity is known as forward price curve. The forward price reliable forward curves is represented by the future or forward price decided by the future price of electricity is known as forward price curve. So forward price a set of present marketplaces or determine this curve electricity sale at a specified time in futures. And this one, a set of present market prices are determined by this curve for the electricity say at a specified time in futures. And then electricity market, the forward curve is measure of index value. The forward curve is a measure of index value. So the relay forward curve, the curve is represents a forward or future price of electricity is known as the forward curves. It is determination. It is determine the current value of electricity to be transported in futures. The the electricity market forward curve is measure index value and the increase the future price in this curve increase the current values in the production services and purchase contracts. So the finally the reliable forward curves. A curve represents a set of forward and future